I want to talk to you a little bit about dynamics. Dynamics is a fancy word that basically means how loud or how soft we're playing the music. It's very important to learn to play with dynamics and to control them so that you can really accurately express the character of the music that you're trying to play. When you read dynamics on sheet music, you read them as a little P or a little F or sometimes a little M in front of the P or the F. And what those letters stand for are P for piano, which means gentle or soft, or F for forte, which means strong or loud. And the little M stands for mezzo, which means medium. So if you see MP or MF, that means medium soft or medium loud. Sometimes you see two P's in a row. That means very soft or pianissimo. Or if you see two F's in a row, that means very loud or fortissimo. You can apply these dynamics to just about any note at any volume. So check it out. I can play the same note with a whole range of dynamics. From very soft to very loud, back down. The way that you learn to control dynamics is by learning to control your breathing. You remember the belly breath that we were talking about? Well, you still want to breathe like that, but you want to learn to control how much air is coming out at any given time. So for instance, if you blow a ton of air out like you're going to get a very loud note. If you blow a much more controlled, soft airstream, you're like this, you're going to get a very soft note. So the dynamics are totally controlled by your air. Learning to control this airstream and to control the dynamics is going to allow you to be very expressive with the music. You're going to be able to convey a lot of different emotions through your dynamics. But you want to always be sure to use the appropriate dynamic for the music that you're going to play. For instance, if you were to say play a lullaby with a very loud dynamic, it wouldn't really make any sense. Listen to this. I don't think any babies are going to sleep listening to that. And the same thing is true in the other way. If you were to play, say, a fanfare with a very soft dynamic, it wouldn't really feel as strong. It doesn't sound very grand. So you want to use the appropriate dynamic for the piece of music that you're playing. The other thing that you want to be careful of with your dynamics is to keep them within the realm of sounding beautiful. You never want to overblow, especially on the loud end, so that the tone gets harsh or ugly. When you hear an overblown tone, it sounds kind of like this. The tone gets kind of flat and harsh and nobody really wants to hear it. You can play just as strong without overblowing. And that will be respectful to your bandmates and respectful to the music. So, by learning to play dynamics with a lot of control, you can express a wide range of emotions and really make the music sing, like this. From very loud to very soft, from strong to very gentle. That's what dynamics are all about.